Salamat at nandito ka. Akala ko talaga hindi ka darating. Matutulog na sana ako. Lulunurin ko na lang yung sarili ko sa sleeping pills.
Divina, ano ba nangyayari sa'yo? Bakit ka ba nagkakaganito?
Tinatanong mo pa ba yun? Hindi ko kayang baliwalain yung nangyari sa ating dalawa.
It was a mistake. Divina, please. Charlene is back. Alright? Pwede ba manindigan na tayo na iwasan na natin ang isa't isa?
Naiintindihan ko naman yun. Pero not right now. Kailangan kita, Raymond. Raymond.
Divina, not now, please. Charlene, kotse yung Charlene yan.
Oh my God!
Raymond?
Charlene, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Ikaw, may kasama ka ba dito?
I'm just alone.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Okay. I'm considering buying this property.
Wow. Without telling me?
Kasi, it's like this, since you're here already, it was supposed to be a surprise. A welcome gift for you. I was just thinking, when it was offered to me, baka pwede tayo ni Libby magpunta dito if we just want to get away from the city. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito? Sinusundan mo ba ako, Charlene?
La, never mind. Umiinom ka pala ng red wine. I didn't know that. Akala ko ba mahilig ka lang sa whiskey and beer?
I drink wine occasionally.
Han, would you mind if I check the house? Since bibilin naman natin to, I wanna know if magugustuhan ko. Ah. Ganda ng billiard set.
Yeah. Even the garden. You should see the lanai.
Wow, laki ng place. I wanna check the room upstairs.
Charlene? Charlene?
Huh?
Why don't we check the guest house? Mas maliwalas ang hangin doon. Tara.
Nandito na tayo eh. Mabilis lang. I wanna see kung anong itsura ng mga kwarto.
Wait, sorry. Hello? Libby? Why are you crying?
Yes, Dad. I'm so upset right now.
Why? Ano nangyari?
Makakalayan na daw si Princess. I'm so devastated right now. Naiinis ako sa nangyayari, Dad. Dad, you have to do something, please. Please help me.
Sige, tutulungan ka namin. Hintayin mo kami, uwi na kami ng mami mo. We need to go.
Bakit daw?
Kailangan ng tulong ng anak natin. Ha? Halika na. Uwi na muna tayo.